morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
It's been a while since we've done this. It feels kind of strange, but good, doesn't it?
I feel a little rusty.
You feel rusty?
See what happens.
Well, where we left off was on our way to Puerto Rico. I uploaded a vlog all about sort of our experience pre and post Irma. Down in the link below, you can find that vlog. But now we are here in Michigan, and we're gonna kind of try to update you. What's the timeline been like, Matt?
Well, Hurricane Irma hit on a Wednesday, September 6th. We stayed on St. Thomas for 5 days after that, and then went over to Puerto Rico. We had the opportunity to go to Puerto Rico and decided it was going to be the best move for us. We ended up staying on Puerto Rico for 5 days and then headed up to stay with family in Michigan. And 3 days later, 3 or 4 days later, Hurricane Maria.
Yeah, I think it was 3 days.
3 days later, Hurricane Maria slammed Puerto Rico as a Category 4, I believe.
And St. Croix.
And St. Croix has a Category 5, right?
Yeah.
Category 4?
Category 5.
So, pretty just unbelievable the amount of destruction that's happened to the territories in the last 2 weeks, and it's hard to be here, but you know, it was the responsible decision for our family to make to be here right now. But you know, our hearts are going out to everybody who's down in the VI and in Puerto Rico, and
yeah,
this is where we're at for now. My job is dependent on infrastructure that we don't have in St. Thomas right now, so I hope that it's back up and running as soon as possible, but until then, we're going to be hanging out up here.
Yeah, we couldn't even get to St. Thomas right now if we wanted to, because the airport is not.
Airport's closed. I think San Juan's open in a limited capacity. St. Croix is doing humanitarian flights only, I think.
Yeah.
So it's just, you know, things are still very unsettled there, and people are still digging out, and people are still suffering very much from the storms. It's still in the very initial stages.
Yes, and so we are here in Michigan until further notice, but I wanted to update you. These are kind of the things that we've been doing for the last week. Weston's in the back. Most of them include Weston, but here are all the fun little clips, and then we will get back to our regular vlog style this week. I will upload at least 2 more vlogs. So here are some of the clips. Weston's having yogurt for lunch. He refused to let me feed him.
What?
Yes. Do you love yogurt? He does. Do you love yogurt?
What?
Okay, show us how you take a bite. That's, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep, just let that, yeah. You love yogurt? You're doing a really good job, buddy. Say hi! We need to clean up Gigi's kitchen. But Weston got something in the mail today. Yeah. Got a couple of other things too, but I wanted to see what he thought about these magnets. Yeah, onto the refrigerator. Let's check them out, okay? Okay, Weston, so you take a magnet. Yeah, you take the magnet. Look, that actually just was on the top. A W for Weston. Let's see what else we can find. An M for Mama. Watch. They stick. You see? Watch. Smart boy. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Well, maybe this isn't going as well as I thought it was going to. Bye. Bye, Wes. See you later. Hi, hi, hi. Love you. Hi. Hi, boats. Look at that little pike. Good. Catch, Matt. Ooh. Woohoo! Weston, look at that.
Nice one. Little baby. Little pike, Wes.
Weston, what do you think about that?
It's a
Wow.
fish. What do you think?
He says, hi, fish.
Hi, fish.
Because maybe let him grow up.
Okay, let's see. Take us forward.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go, Wes.
Here we go.
Oh, no.
Oh, you'd like to stay on the lake?
Let's go forward. Come on.
Push, push, push it.
Wes, forward, forward.
It's gonna be a long ride home.
Wes, come on. Let's go, buddy.
No.
You want to stay out for a little while? Reverse. Quick, Wes. Reverse. Forward. Come on.
Push it.
Push.
Push.
He's saying no.
Weston, take us inside. In. We're ready to go home.
There's one more chair over there.
Oh, there he goes. There goes the ducky.
That's pretty cool.
Good wave. We cannot thank you enough for all of your love, support, and prayers over the last few weeks. Please see the links down below if you would like to help the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. So many options for donations. We love you. Good night.